The Kogi East Political and Economic Summit Group has endorsed Jibrin Isah Echocho for a third term in the National Assembly, citing his performance and contributions to constituency development. The endorsement was announced during a press conference at Abuja, where the coalition of civil society organizations says its decision followed extensive consultations and a review of political realities in Kogi East. According to the convener, Okpanachi Jacob, the district's declining political influence since 2015, after losing the governorship, necessitates strong representation at the federal level. It described Echocho's experience and legislative exposure as critical to rebuilding the region's relevance and attracting development opportunities. Okpanachi further noted that returning the senator could enhance Kogi East's chances of securing key leadership roles in the National Assembly, while also ensuring continuity in ongoing projects and reforms.
This reality underscores the urgent need to consolidate and strengthen our representation at the national level as a strategic alternative. In view of this, we have identified the continued representation of Senator Jibrin Isah Echocho as a critical pathway towards rebuilding our political relevance and advancing the socio-economic interests of our people. His experience, legislative exposure, and growing influence place him in a better position to attract opportunity and deliver impactful representation. Returning Senator Echocho increases our chances of securing principal leadership position in the National Assembly, thereby amplifying the voice and bargaining power of Kogi East Senatorial District. It is important to note that our support extends across party lines to individuals who demonstrate exceptional leadership qualities and commitment to the development of our people.
The Kogi East Political and Economic Summit Group reaffirmed its non-partisan stance, stating that its endorsement reflects a broader commitment to strategic advocacy and sustainable development in Kogi East.
Most of the people you find here ordinarily are not people that should say they will take a partisan stand. But when it comes to issue of leadership recruitment process, we always avail ourselves to making sure that the right people are put in place to the benefit of the large mass of our people.
Beside Kogi East, the Igala Basa Nation enjoying, it will equally play a complementary role to the state government as a whole. So we're equally calling on stakeholders beyond the Igala Basa Nation to equally the state government and equally all political actors to ensure that we bring our best forward in the next dispensation. So we're calling on the state government to support, this dream and this aspiration so that we can bring our first 11 to bargain for political position and place ourselves very, very strategic in the next dispensation.